Everyone wants success, but no one wants failure. And that's the problem. Because what if I told you, failure is the only reason success even exists? Most people quit after their first failure. They try once, it doesn't work, and they stop. Not because they're not capable, but because failure feels personal. It feels like proof that you're not good enough. You start doubting yourself, you compare your life to others, you see people winning online, and you think, why not me? But what you don't see is how many times they failed, in silence. Think about it. Every successful person you admire failed more times than you can imagine. They failed when no one was watching, they struggled when no one cared, and they kept going when quitting would have been easier. Failure isn't the opposite of success, it's part of it. Every mistake, every setback, every loss is teaching you something. But only if you're willing to learn, instead of walking away. The truth is, most people don't fail because they're weak, they fail because they quit too early. They expect results without the struggle. They want success without the pain, but success doesn't work like that. Success is built on rejection, on mistakes, on failure after failure, until one day, everything starts to make sense. So if you're failing right now, good. Because that means you're closer than you think. Every step you take, even the painful ones, is moving you forward. Don't quit now. Your success might be one more failure away. Subscribe for more real motivation, and start turning your failures into success. Thanks for watching.